non-profit organization chapter. Under non-profit organization chapter, second question, that is, the following is the receipts and payment account of Sania Sports Club for the year, that is 2017-18 is given below. The year of receipts and payment account is 2017 and 18, means 1st April 2017 to 31st March 2018. Okay, so between this period, okay, that is one of the transactions is given. Okay, that is the that to receipts and payment account. Okay, receipts and payment account. Next, subscriptions receivable. Okay, that is first one, operations 42,000. Next, life membership fees 15,000. Tournament fund 24,000. Subscriptions 19,500. Entrance fees 3,600. Donation for computers 15,000. Sale of old newspaper 1,500. Next, salaries 9,900. Furniture 35,100. Games expenses 7,500. Printing and stationery 9,300. And tournament expenses 9,000. So in the debit side there is a tournament fund, and the credit side there is tournament expenses. Okay, remember it. We should be adjusted here only. Okay, and the sports equipment brought, so equipment purchased, that is asset purchased 42,000, and by balance carried on 7,800 rupees. Okay, that is a closing balance of cash. Okay, and additional information also is given, that is subscriptions receivable for 2016-17. Okay, now we are in 2017-18, but subscriptions receivable for 2016-17 4,500, and 2017-18 is 7,500, means these are the last year. Okay, last year subscriptions. Okay, last year subscription, whatever the subscriptions, okay, we should be deducted from current year. Okay, and whatever the outstanding receivable of subscriptions 2017-18 is 7,500, we should add to subscriptions. Okay, then you will get actually whatever is the subscriptions, okay, subscriptions of this year, that is the actual income for the year as per accrual concept. As per accrual concept. Next, value of sports equipment 1/4/2017, that is 3,000 rupees, and the 31st March 2018 is 27,000 rupees. Okay, the opening value of the sports equipment is given, and closing value of the sports equipment also is given in the question. Next, provide 3,000 for depreciation on furniture. Okay, after deducting depreciation, we should be write closing value in the closing balance sheet. So the adjustments is for first one, subscriptions. Okay, that is first first adjustment. And value of sports equipment. Okay, sports equipment, second adjustment. Next, provide 3,000 for depreciation on furniture. So for furniture it is third adjustment. For these three only has adjustments. Okay, and internal adjustment, that is debit minus credit. Okay, that is 24,000. Tournament fund. From tournament fund we should be deduct the tournament expenses. Remaining amount we should be write closing balance sheet. Okay, under liability side. Okay, now we can start solution to that. So that is second solution. First one, operations. So it says is receipts, no? Okay, receipts are income by operations, means that is the income generated from operations, 42,000 rupees. Next, life membership fees also is income by life membership fees 15,000. Okay, the tournament fund, this is the tournament fund is a liability. Okay, tournament fund is a liability. Come to closing balance sheet and write tournament fund. That is, in first column it is 24,000 less tournament expenses. The tournament expenses is 9,000. 24,000 minus 9,000, which is equal to 15,000. Okay. After that, subscriptions 19,500. That is right under income side. By subscriptions, subscriptions has an adjustment. Okay, that is the reason you can write in the column, first column, 19,500. Okay, next entrance fees 3,600. Entrance fees 3,600. Just leave some space and write entrance fees that is 3,600. Next, donation for computers 15,000. This is the donation for computers, is a specific donations. Okay, so you should write on the liability side, by donations for computers that is 15,000 rupees. Sale of old newspapers, it is income. Sale of old newspaper that is 1,500. Okay, so all receipts maximum we have written under income side, and the sum of the funds like that we have written liability side. Okay, that is only the treatment. Next one, salaries. Okay, if you come to payments, that first one is the salaries. So it is expenditure, here receipts and payments. Okay, by two salaries, that is 9,900 rupees. Next, by furniture. Furniture means this is a furniture 35,100 worth of the furniture. It is purchased in the year of 2017-18. Means this is a furniture not there in earlier. Means in the 16-17 last year. Okay, so furniture can come to closing balance sheet. Furniture. The furniture has an adjustment, so you can write 35,100 in the first column. And the games expenses, so you can write expenditure side to games expenses 7,500. Next, printing and stationery, it is also expenditure to printing and stationery, that is 9,300 rupees. Next, tournament expenses, already it's completed. Okay, in the liability side we have deducted, that is a tournament from tournament fund, Okay, deducted tournament expenses. Next, sports equipment bought. Okay, sports equipment bought. Okay, that is a sports equipment bought means it is asset purchased. Okay, that is a stock we are purchased. Okay, if it is a stock purchased, then in income and expenditure account we should be shows what is the sports equipment utilized only, but not purchased value. Okay, that's everyone should be remember. Okay, so that is what is the sports equipment utilized value only we should be right under expenditure side. So how to get that sports equipment utilized means opening plus purchase minus closing, simple. Okay, so write to sports equipment purchased, sports equipment used. Sports equipment used, that is okay. How to get means opening sports equipment, that is opening value of sports equipment is 3000, at purchase of sports equipment 42,000, then it is 45,000 total value of sports equipment. Okay, less closing sports equipment, that is closing value of sports equipment is 27,000. Okay, if you deduct, then whatever the difference value only we should be writing the debit side, that is 45,000 minus 27,000, which is equal to 18,000. This is the 18,000. Okay, 18,000. Okay, worth of the sports equipment utilized in this current year. That is only the value we should be shown as an expenditure. Next, this is a balance carried down 7,800. 7,800 balance carried down means closing balance of cash, that is 7,800. Okay, so all receipts and payments completed. Okay, all receipts and payments completed. Now you can go for adjustments. Every adjustments we should be entered into twice. Okay, every adjustment we should be entered into twice. That should be remember it. So if we enter into it twice, okay, how to, there's a debit effect and also credit effect. See, once we can solve it. So subscriptions receivable 4,500. Okay, receivable means it is a opening value of subscriptions. So it is subscription receivable. Subscriptions is a income which cannot be received still now. That is a asset in the 2016-17. Okay, asset in the year of 2016-17. That is a opening. Okay, in the last year it is opening asset. Okay, so come to the opening balance sheet and write subscriptions receivable. That is 4,500 rupees. 4,500 rupees. Okay, so income which cannot be received still now, it is a asset. Okay, for the expenditure does not paid outstanding expenses, it is a liability. So it is income. Subscription is the income now. So that is the reason subscription receivable, it is an asset. And 2017-18 is 7,500. Okay, in 17-18 also, okay, in the closing balance sheet also you can write subscriptions receivable. That is 7,500. 7,500, it is a closing balance sheet under asset side. Okay, so one treatment, only one effect only it's completed. Next one, these are two values you should be adjusted to subscriptions value. Okay, then only it's completed twice. Okay, so every amount we should be write in a twice. Okay, every adjustment we should be write a twice in the enter into a twice in the books of accounts. So already we have rectified opening balance sheet under assets na. Now you can deduct from subscriptions under income side. Okay, under income side. So that is less subscriptions of 2016-17. So that is last year subscriptions but received in this year, that should be deducted 4,500. So that is 15,000. Next, current year still outstanding subscriptions is 7,500, that should be added. Subscriptions, okay, receivable for 2017-18. Okay, how much? 7,500. 7,500. Okay, then the amount is 22,500. 22,500. Okay, 15,000 plus 7,500, 22,500. Next, so then 4,500 one effect and 7,500 one effect. Okay, in total double in as per double entry system twice we are entered. Next, value of sports equipment 1/4/2017 is 3,000. Okay, already this value of sports equipment 3,000 rupees we are okay. Already we have entered in the expenditure side. Now we can enter only once. Okay, because of one treatment completed. So sports equipment, that is the asset in this last year. Sports equipment, the value is 3,000. And the closing 2018 value of sports equipment is 27,000. 27,000. Okay, that is only the treatments. Okay, these are the sports equipment. Already we are entered in the income and expenditure side and the expenses side. Okay, that is expenses side one time and opening balance sheet and the asset side. And closing sports equipment uh, already we are entered expenditure side deducted from that is a opening sports equipment plus purchase sports equipment and also entered in closing balance sheet under asset side. Okay, next one, value of sports equipment completed, provide 3,000 for depreciation on furniture. Okay, so deduct the depreciation amount from furniture, less depreciation, that is directly amount is given 3,000 rupees. So 32,100. Okay, 32,100 remaining amount. So this is the depreciation is expenditure na. Okay, once we are treated, okay, we are entered in the balance sheet and deducted from somewhat respective asset, and whatever the depreciation you should be shown as an asset to depreciation on furniture. That is 3,000 rupees. Okay, that is 3,000 rupees. Now all the adjustments also okay entered twice. Okay, so full of question you are entered in the books. Now you can close the books of accounts. Simple one. So how to means, first we can compute opening capital fund. So 7,500 7,500. 4,500 plus 3,000, which is equal to 7,500. That is capital fund. Capital fund 7,500. It is balancing figure in this. Opening capital fund, you can write closing balance sheet under capital fund. That is 7,500. Okay. To this 7,500 of the opening capital fund, we should be at profit. If it is there is a surplus, okay. If it is a deficit, we should be deducted. First one, which side is more? Credit side only the more. That is total of credit is 84,600. 84,600. Okay. Debit side also 84,600. Next, 2 surplus. Surplus 36,900 means credit amounts. Okay, 84,600 minus these are all of the amount. If you deduct it, then you will get 36,900. This is 36,900 is called as excess of income over expenditure. Means expenditure is less than income, means income is more than expenditure. Okay, that is only the meaning here. So this is a surplus. You should be add to capital fund. Add surplus, that is 36,900. The total is 36,900 plus 7,500, which is equal to 44,400. 44,400. Okay. Now we can total the liabilities and assets also. 44,400 plus 15,000 plus 15,000, which is equal to 74,400 rupees. That is liabilities. Once you can check assets, that is 32,100 plus 7,800 plus 7,500 plus 27,000. Okay, asset also 74,400. Okay, like this you can solve the solution within less time. Okay, so this is the method to solve. Okay, if you solve within 15 minutes only. Okay, it's no need to take more time. Okay, this method means, so first you can without adjustment you can enter everything, whatever the receipts and payments, and after the receipts and payment account, now you can adjust it twice in the twice the adjustments. Every adjustment you can enter here twice. That it is easy. And as per this method, if you follow this method, then you cannot miss any amount also. Okay, you cannot miss any amount also. So that is the reason. Okay, if you follow this method, okay, it's very easy. Okay, and if you have any doubts and if you require more explanation and any new questions, okay, then please be contact to my WhatsApp number, that is 74168 62278. Okay, thank you.